Here I have OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, let's open Settings, then go to the Additional Settings, then to the Backup and Reset. Enable this feature, Backup My Data. Then you have to add your backup Google account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to do this. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And then tap Accept and turn on. And your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.